Why is it so important to get this right from the start? So you've spent months of discussions and design work with your designer, and now you've arrived at the delicate point in your project. Hopes and dreams collided with a cost estimate from your builder. What does it cost to have all the design features you wanted in the design? How did the assumed cost compare to the actual build cost? More to the fact, how do we fix this problem if our designs have cooked the budget? Welcome to Constructive Homes. My name is Wayne White. I'm the company director and builder. Today I want to talk to you about your budget. It's one of the first decisions that you'll make when you start thinking about your renovation, even before you start the design process. This scenario is played out regularly. If you don't get this right from the start, you'll be throwing good money after bad at the problem. We already know that over 80% of designs don't get built if a builder hasn't been involved in the design process right from the beginning. Starting to build or renovate without a budget in mind can lead to a project ending up off track or not starting at all. Knowledge is power. In hindsight, when this scenario plays out, the back of an envelope estimate to calculate the actual building cost isn't the smartest way to cover off on all the eventual costs of any project. Sure, you want the latest creative design and sustainable features included. However, while these design choices were being included, your budget wasn't being cross-referenced or checked. Now, how to fix it? Every renovation will have a different budget depending on what design suits your home, your family and your lifestyle. Everyone will make a different choice depending on their individual needs and what they want to achieve out of it. You probably also need to take into account what you're willing to spend on a project like this to achieve the end result. Sure, you probably don't know what the eventual costs are going to be. However, everyone knows their own financial circumstances before they venture into a project like this. Next, you need to align yourself with an experienced builder who specialises in this type of renovation work and who best suits you and your individual project. A builder that can identify your cost problems and how you arrived at this point. Most of all, problem solved are designed to give you solutions. Now, before the builder can identify and resolve all these issues, you'll need to share with them your honest budget projections. Remember, your budget you've shared is now the actual build cost of your project, and your builder now can begin illustrating where your costs are going over in the design. Talk to Constructive Homes about your budget so that you can get your custom renovation underway with the assurance that your budget aligns with the actual build cost. Download our free guide, 7 Things You Must Know Before Designing Your Extension. This guide will show you how to avoid wasting time and money on designs that may never get built.